And these are kind of spooky, not gonna lie. So we gotta go to their temporary leasing, which is in 207.
Okay. We should leave. We should not even leave.
Why?
Look at these doors.
These actually are kind of scary. Now, let me like go to the regular lighting. These actually are scary as fuck, I'm not gonna lie. Like, imagine walking here at night and shit. What did these even look like? Look, they got a...
Oh no, but no wonder they're cheap.
He said no wonder they're cheap. Alright, let's not judge a book by its cover. Cool.
And when did you say what move-in date?
Like late December.
Late December?
Late
Okay,
December,
that's
yeah.
perfect.
Okay.
Washer and dryer.
Washer and dryer.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's nice.
And then turn on the light. Let's see. Ooh, pretty cool, pretty cool. Then here's a little working site area. It's pretty dope.
Oh, that's the basement desk. That's cute.
Mm-hmm. It's a cool little area.
Yeah.
Then this is the next bedroom. And it has wood floors, not
yeah.
carpet.
What's in this?
It's a big
big, yeah.
Damn. It's a really big closet. Say it again.
If they can fit that in there, we can fit stuff too.
Mm-hmm. Is this another closet?
No, that's the this little thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think you guys would be more interested in renovated or classic?
Well, can we see like a classic just to see the difference?
My second thing is I'll take you to see. It's a one bedroom, but you'll see what the features.
Got it. Perfect. Yeah, that's really what
And
we
so I'm
look.
going to do quotes for both so you can compare.
Okay, thank you. All right, here's the next one. Wow, this is a really interesting room.
Yeah. I think the bed would fit in here.
Hell yeah, the bed will fit in here.
What is that? Closet?
The other closet. This is a big
it's
closet.
big, yeah. And then, oh, this is the one we saw at the restaurant.
Damn,
You're saying my
these are different.
Yeah.
Damn, these renovated ones are actually really nice. Not the outside. Okay, but where are we gonna be though? We're gonna be inside the apartment.
Yeah, doesn't matter. We learned that it's the inside that matters.
Exactly. Our outside right now is not bad. It's nice, but we don't be outside.
We be inside and we don't like the inside. You know,
Exactly.
like this inside.
This inside is actually really nice.
Yeah.
Especially the living room. Buttercup. Look at the living room.
I know, it has a little like
Yeah,
space.
like a little arch thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that little arch thing over here. Just this.
Yeah, you pretty much only get that cutout in this floor plan.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. I really like it. This is cool. These renovated ones are. I can see why they renovated. I can see why they renovated for sure.
Well, we're gonna see the classic right now. This is just like our food right now. Actually, no.
Yeah, it's
A little bit more space, right?
honestly, yeah. I don't think we need. We really don't even use the fridge. We can't even front. I like this island.
Oh, look, I didn't have
Oh, storage in it. That's like ours doesn't have that right now. I like this living room though. It really does feel homey.
The high-tech, the swimming pool. This won't be ready until the spring though. We do have another pool on the property that's open. It's a more like a lap pool, but
Got
you
it.
know, you can use it. So this will be what's gonna be coming in. They're even gonna have a pizza oven down there.
Wow.
So you could literally like order drinks from the bar.
Wait, I have a question. How much was the rent, that one that we just saw?
Oh, okay, I'll send you a couple of quotes. It's because it varies for that floor plan, kind of depending on which floor it's on.
Got it.
How long it's been on the market. And I'm sorry, I didn't have a hard time memorizing.
Nah, it's okay. I just wanted to, just so I could remember.
Yeah, I think they'll start, a couple of those that I sent you were like at 19, and then another one's at 2000. Features, which is still updated. It's a difference in style and preference. This is the granite countertops.
Right.
And then the wood cabinetry.
Finish it, yeah.
So it still has stainless steel appliances. You know, the difference, the microwave is not like the one in the renovated. But we've got the built-in bookshelves, and every unit comes with the full-size washer and dryer. This floor plan is actually an A2. Okay. So it's a one bedroom.
Got it.
And the classics will have carpet in the bedrooms, where the renovated is just wood.
Yeah, I remember the wood flooring.
And then, of course, the built-in work from home.
Perfect.
I've seen some people use it as a bar, so it's kind of, you can.
Wow.
Yeah.
Here's the closet. No! Tell me what you just told me.
I said she showed nice hospitality because instead of a Karen, she's a Carrie.
A Carrie. She was actually really, really, really nice. We'll give a recap once we get in the car. All right, we are in the nice warm car. Are you ready to debrief? So let's hear it.
So, I honestly like the renovated apartments, and I think they're super cheap. And like we were saying in the restroom, it doesn't matter what's on the outside, it matters what's on the inside. But I just feel like, I don't know, like
the vibes of the apartment?
Like, it feels sketchy, like bad vibes.
It does, and I feel like these apartments, like low-key, would actually be haunted.
Yeah.
All right, I don't know what happened, but like I was saying, I really feel like these apartments would be haunted.
Hell yeah.
And as I was recording this, it like stopped recording when I said haunted. So I don't know. It's kind of weird vibes. Even there's these ladies that came in.
Yeah, and they were so weird. Like,
yeah.
not a high. Like, we had came out from the bathroom to like the living room, and we were talking about how we like the little arch, and she was like, yeah, that arch is only available in this unit. Like, girl, say hi at least. Like,
yeah, and I don't know, there was just, that lady was really nice that was showing us around, but
I don't know if they got like mad at her for her like telling us that we could tour that like unit that they were in the office unit. But either way, she was nice. Like, it doesn't matter, like, we don't care, you know, we're just touring.
But I just think in general, yeah, these apartments give off like weird vibes for sure.
Like,
and I think
shit.
Yeah, I think it's because like it's super dark in here. Like, I don't know, I wouldn't want to imagine being in here at night. Like,
and then also like the classic apartment, I feel like that too, like it gave bad vibes, like something just bad.
The classic one, it felt
like haunted, literally.
Yeah,
haunted.
It really feels haunted. I mean, these were nice, and I feel like, I don't know why they're renovating them. And one thing too, the lady was really trying to sell us on like moving in.
Yeah, she was like,
I mean, she's doing her job, but like
she also was like, she was telling us how we could get a free month, and if we like lease in the next 24 hours, like we get like these really big savings. She was like, if you like decide to like lease after the 24, like we could reschedule the tour, and then we could like, you know. And she was like actually trying to like make us save and like make us move here.
Yeah. And
when we left, she was like, I hope to see you like here, maybe, like.
Yeah. I don't know, these were interesting. I really did like the renovations though. That was really nice. Like, I think they did a good job. I just don't know if we can live here.
I don't think so,
unfortunately. But are we gonna tour any more today, or is that for another dump?
I think we'll try. We were gonna tour one at 3, but it's barely 11:50 right now, and Julian is actually feeling sick. He woke up sick. I don't know if he told y'all, but and then also the ones we were gonna go tour, they didn't have like a availability. So, and then the ones we wanted to tour, they're not answering.
Should we tour someone tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wake up early.
All right, well, that is it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe. We're gonna be touring more apartments soon. Let me know what you guys think about the apartments that we saw. Adios.